Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag out of an '06 VW Beetle. Now, I believe it's the same for the Golf and the Jetta, but don't quote me on that. First thing you want to do is disconnect the power, take the battery leads off. Then whenever you go inside, you'll need to turn the steering wheel to the left or the right, depending on which side that you're going to try to get off first. It's really not too hard, and I've already taken the airbag off to show you exactly what you need to do. You'll be accessing the little holes back behind the steering wheel. Now, some people like to remove the covers, depending on the car and what you're using to take it out. I usually use a little screwdriver like this. I don't normally have to take the covers off, but the steering, I'm going to show you back behind the airbag. This little stud right here is the only thing that's holding it on both sides. And if you look right down in that hole, you can see the spring clip that is running from right here, goes up through the center and goes up top. So the purpose is, whenever you're back behind it, is to pry the top of the spring back and to get it to move right there. And I'll show you right here. Turn the steering column to whatever side that you're working on to get access to the top there. You can see down in that hole, you won't see much besides a piece of rubber sticking out. But you'll stick your screwdriver up in there and have the blade on the outside edge of the steering wheel, on the top side. And then the shaft will be against the inside. So you want to keep this blade on the outside as you can, all the way up in there. And whenever you get up in there, then you'll see what happens. You just kind of pry it, and you can see me pry that spring back. Okay, whenever you spring that spring back, then it'll release one side. So then you pull on the airbag slightly, get it pop out a little bit, pull your screwdriver out, and you'll flip the steering column over, and you'll do the opposite side. So once you've gotten the airbag out a little bit, you'll see some wires, okay? So it'll be kind of out like that, and I usually find it easier to just use the space right here, stick the screwdriver down in there, and pop the clips off. And I'll show you on the bench so you're easier to see. But in the center of the airbag, just take a little screwdriver, pop the little center safety clips out, just like that. And then that will pop right out, and then pop this safety clip out, and then that one will pop right out, just like that. So whenever you get your new airbag and you set this up against the steering wheel, the only thing you have to connect is these two connectors. So then all you'll do is simply put it back in the spot, click the center, and you get your other connector, put it in there, and there you go, it's connected. So at that point, your airbag will be up against the steering wheel like this, and then you'll just put the stud back in the hole and press that airbag in there and push it in until you hear it click or until it seats in on both sides. So that's how you change your airbag out on your VW. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helped you out today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.